activated for watches, warnings, and selected statements affecting specific counties based on the transmitter you are listening to. For exact coverage areas, please check our internet homepage. Receipt of the warning alarm tone will vary at any given location, especially at greater distances from the transmitter and in large buildings. This concludes the weekly warning alarm test. We now return to our normally scheduled programming.
No way!
Okay, so I was joined by
Tornado Fan Life Safety
and
Minnesota, Wisconsin, and Iowa, Wisconsin.
so basically I'm actually editing this right now. This is the after part. I'm not gonna get shit added today. So just wanna let you know and thank you for watching this video. And also actually I did not choose the cover what radios went off today, so basically I'll say most of them went off, so basically all of them went off, so and now for real, thank you for watching.